Hi guys, good evening. So this is a cup that my eldest daughter made. It was Slytherin inspired. See that? This is beautiful. And she hand painted the skull and the snake on there, right along with the castle. Isn't that beautiful? What I'm about to do is just clean it, clean it up, clean up the room, and get ready to wash it out so she can use it or sell it, whichever she chooses. Okay? If you drop down in the comments what her favorite house is, the Slytherin house. What's your favorite house? If you're a Harry Potter fan, what is your favorite house? Hogwarts house, okay? Of course, you can tell hers is Slytherin. Alright? So let's see. So basically, I just wanted to jump on and show you guys, talk to you guys while I work. Okay, and show you guys. So basically, when you're done with the cup, actually each layer of resin that I put on, I like to clear the rim. Okay, before you put the last layer of resin on, you want to make sure you sand down the rim as well to have a little stainless steel showing so you can get a good grip on. Okay, but each time. But right now, I'm about to go ahead and clear the rim of the resin and clean the inside so that it's able to be used and drunk from. So she can use it to drink from. Okay? And you want to just be careful and just go ahead and take your X-Acto knife or your crafting knife. I'm sorry, I'm out of frame. And just slide around the rim of the cup. Okay? Just like so. Oops. That just flew off of the table. I'm gonna have to get that before the cat goes after it. I don't know, our cat loves to chew on the weirdest things. She chews on cardboard and plastic. She likes to lick tape and the sticky side of my vinyl. So yeah. Alright. And so that's all cleaned off. All I gotta do is go wash it with some Dawn soap and dry it off, and it's ready to go. I just love how this turned out. That's beautiful. You guys, drop down in the comments what you guys think. Should she keep it for herself or should she sell it? What do you guys think? Would you buy this? Drop it in the comments. Don't forget to hit a like, subscribe. Don't subscribe, guess what? Because that decision is up to you. Alright, but it is free. If you want to see more tutorials and more of our shorts, of our tumblers and keychains and everything else, go ahead and hit subscribe and hit that notification bell. And we will be back to you soon. Bye. Have a good night. We love you.